Bro, watch out.
You get shot?
Huh?
Get shot?
Yes. Bro, don't stand straight up. You trying to get shot, bro? You should know more about this than I do. Sorry, my bad. What? Yeah, but I'm not going infantry. Bro.
Filming right now?
Yeah. Brother, you got out?
What?
That's crazy.
I got shot.
Oh wait, I'm dumb.
Objective or what?
No, it's just a free-for-all, but not free-for-all, it's teams.
Yo, there's like gas coming out of your gun. What? There's gas coming out, like muzzle smoke coming out of your gun. That's sick.
Bang, bang.
Ow! I'm shot!
Bro is not him. This is the smallest map. How many lives do we have? How many lives do we have? Right behind you? How many lives do we have?
Where's respawn?
Right there.
What?
You respawned.
Oh, okay.
Watch out. Where? All the way in the back in the woods? Infinite? He didn't specify.
Yo, we're gonna get bumper cap. Someone pop up.
I don't want to pop up. What the? Am I hit? I'm hit. Hit, bro. Bro, I got hit on spawn.
Red, can I go there?
No. He said no.
Sit still when I said go. You guys are kind of supposed to run out. I guess, yeah, I'm going to open up the woods for y'all.
Ow!
Respawn.
Respawn is still here, but the woods are open, I guess. Nut palm trees. You see these pine trees?
Yeah.
Look up. You see the pines? That means look up, please.
Dude, look up.
I'm looking up.
Alright, you see the pines? Yes. Alright, stay under the pines if you go into the woods. And then just push back this way.
Okay.
Okay, can I go up there?
No.
Absolutely not. We've already been over this. No.
Okay.
Thank you. Besides that,
He's not on the team.
what's our
What are you guys doing back here?
We're still trying to listen to directions.
Group message, not message.
yeah.
Meeting.
Yeah, besides that, just don't push super far back down.
Alright.
The woods.
Watch out to the left, right behind those barriers.
I shot someone.
No, but did you actually hit them? He's out. Bro, watch out. Are you... You see anybody?
Was my gun shooting?
Probably not.
Yeah. Left side, turn. Hey. Oh, I got him, I think.
No, I don't think he did. Watch out. Middle. Maybe. Where?
Right side.
You said left side or right side? Bro, you're gonna get killed.
Ah, I did.
What did I call?
How long does it take to respawn? I just keep shooting.
Just wait like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Um,
Ow. I got shot.
Dog, I'm just shooting everywhere.
I'm just gonna put down the run of bullets.
Where are they, bro?
they're over by the church.
They are?
Yeah, that's where I see the bullets coming from.
Towards or from?
And front. Front. Middle, maybe.
Yeah, there was one guy down center, the black.
Yeah, there's someone in the middle too.
Shirt.
Black shirt. I thought he got out. Oh, guy with the hat's out. Yeah, they're all by the church, I think. There's a couple guys that spawned though.
Yeah. Okay. Move out to the right side, come on.
There's some guy on the left behind some towers. Pushing right. Behind that wheel. There's somebody behind that wheel too.
Oh. Oh. No.
Two in front of you. They're still trying to shoot in here. What are you doing? Watch out, watch out. There's two in front. What are you doing back here?
Watch out.
Oh, that's actually smart. I didn't even know you can move that. Wait, move it out a little? Because they're straight ahead. Wait. Oh, he called game. Watch out, he called game. Yo! I think I got two, maybe? We're switching sides, by the way.
I went into this in a rental.
That is nice.
Your mag to the whiskey.
Check the mag. The mag's
Huh? Your mag to the whiskey.
Oh, yeah, she's my original mag with him, dude.
So mine was rainbow. What should I do?
Did you get out? How many times? Say it to the camera.
I'm worried about
Okay, bro.
Really?
What are you doing?
You just switch teams up. Dude, they were all huddled up back there. I had to do something. I had to help them.
Where are you going? He's not on the side?
Ready to go home?
No. I thought we were supposed to switch sides. No? My finger hurts.
Remember when I said there's a difference between gas and electric?
No.
Remember that?
Yeah.
This was gas.
The pistol has bullets in it? Bro, you're gonna drain his mag.
Oh, you want to drain the mag?
It is.
I can wait.
That was, the safety wasn't on.
I ain't got nowhere to be.
I didn't get shot, so.
You got work.
Oh, I'm sorry. You
It's
want some of my BBs? They only my rental.
I'm just worried about the gas.
Oh, sorry.
It was like $20 for a can like that big.
Holy shit.
But I could just get a propane tank.
Yeah, I probably got caught on the
What the fuck are those sights? Did you get that from the military surplus store?
I got it from the thrift shop.
What